Welcome to Riz English Channel.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Riz English Channel. I'm your host Riz, and with me today is Zoe. Hi Zoe, how are you today?
Hi, Riz. I'm good, thank you. I had a busy morning, but I'm excited to learn today.
That's great to hear. And hello to all our listeners. Today's episode is going to help you sound confident and professional at work. We're talking about English for business meetings.
Oh, that's so useful. Many learners get nervous in meetings.
Exactly. If you've ever been in a meeting and didn't know what to say, don't worry. Today, we'll fix that.
Perfect. I think everyone wants to feel confident when speaking English at work.
Yes, and by the end of this episode, you'll learn the most common phrases, simple vocabulary, and real examples to use in meetings. Ready, Zoe?
Ready?
All right, let's start. Imagine you're joining a meeting. The first thing you do is greet people. You can say, "Good morning, everyone," or "Hi, everyone, nice to see you all."
So I can say, "Good morning, everyone. How are you?"
Perfect, Zoe. That's friendly and polite. You can also say, "Thank you for joining today." This is good if you are the person leading the meeting.
Oh, I see. So if I'm the host, I can say, "Thank you for joining today."
Exactly. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
Thank you for joining today.
Thank you for joining today.
Nice. Simple, right?
Yes, very easy.
Now, after greeting, we usually start with the purpose of the meeting. You can say, "Today we're here to discuss," or "The goal of this meeting is to..."
For example, today we're here to discuss the new project.
Perfect example. Let's repeat that together. Today we're here to discuss the new project.
Today we're here to discuss the new project.
Great job. Another way is, "The goal of this meeting is to plan our next steps."
I like that. It sounds professional.
Yes. And don't forget, when you start a meeting, it's good to sound positive. You can add something like, "I'm excited to hear everyone's ideas today."
That's nice. It helps create a friendly mood.
Exactly. And people will feel more comfortable to speak.
Riz, what if I join a meeting but I'm not the host? What should I say?
Great question. You can say, "Hi everyone, thanks for inviting me." Or, "Good to see you all."
So, hi everyone. Thanks for inviting me.
That's right. Simple and polite.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Now, let's move to the next part, participating in the meeting. Many people feel shy to speak, but you don't need long sentences. Short and clear sentences are perfect.
Like what?
You can say, "I agree with that," or "I think we should..."
I agree with that. That's easy.
Yes, and if you want to give your opinion, you can say, "In my opinion," or "From my point of view."
In my opinion, we should focus on marketing.
Excellent! You sound professional.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, if you disagree politely, you can say, "I see your point, but," or "I understand your idea, however..."
Oh, that's important. Many people sound rude when they disagree.
Exactly. English has polite ways to disagree. Let's practice. "I see your point, but I think we need more data."
I see your point, but I think we need more data.
Perfect. Another one. "I understand your idea. However, the budget is limited."
I understand your idea. However, the budget is limited.
Nice pronunciation, Zoe.
Thank you, Riz.
You're welcome. Let's give a quick recap. We've learned greetings, how to start a meeting, giving opinions, asking opinions, and agreeing or disagreeing politely.
Right, we said, "Good morning, everyone. Today we're here to discuss." I agree with that. And I see your point, but...
Excellent memory.
Thank you, Teacher Riz.
You're welcome, Student Zoe.
Haha.
All right, now let's move on to asking for opinions. This is very common in meetings. You can say, "What do you think?" or Do you agree?
Easy phrases. What do you think? Do you agree?
Yes, and if you want to sound more formal, say, could you share your thoughts on this?
Oh, that sounds nice. Could you share your thoughts on this?
Very good. You can also ask a specific person, like, Zoe, what's your opinion on this?
So if I'm the host, I can say that to my team.
Exactly. It keeps everyone involved.
What if I don't understand something in the meeting?
Another excellent question. You can say, sorry, could you please repeat that? Or, can you explain that again, please?
So polite. I like it.
Yes, always polite. Let's repeat. Sorry, could you please repeat that?
Sorry, could you please repeat that?
Can you explain that again, please?
Can you explain that again, please?
Perfect. And if you understand after they explain, say, oh, I see, or got it, thank you.
That's simple and friendly.
Exactly. English is not only about words, but also about tone. Say it with a smile.
Okay, I'll smile more in meetings.
Good. Now, sometimes you need to make suggestions in a meeting. You can say, how about, or maybe we can...
How about we start the campaign next week?
Excellent. Or maybe we can reduce the cost.
So simple and natural.
Yes, simple English works best in meetings. People understand you easily.
What if I need time to think before answering?
You can say, let me think for a moment, or that's a good question.
Oh, that's useful. Sometimes I need time to think.
Everyone does. Let's practice. That's a good question. Let me think for a moment.
That's a good question. Let me think for a moment.
Perfect.
Riz, what if I need to interrupt politely in a meeting?
Good one. You can say, sorry to interrupt, but, or can I add something?
Sorry to interrupt, but I have an update.
Excellent. Always use a soft tone that keeps it polite.
Got it.
Let's do a mini recap. Today, we learned greetings, starting a meeting, giving opinions, asking questions, making suggestions.
And how to interrupt politely?
Yes, very good.
You're remembering everything.
Thank you, Teacher Riz.
You're welcome, Student Zoe.
Haha. Now, let's move to ending a meeting. This part is also important. You can say, let's summarize what we discussed today.
Oh, yes, the summary.
Right. After that, you can say, to sum up, we agreed to, or our next steps are...
For example, to sum up, we agreed to launch the new product next month.
Excellent example.
And our next steps are to contact the suppliers.
Perfect. You can also close with a polite phrase like, thank you everyone for your time, or great job today.
So, thank you everyone for your time.
Yes. And if you're the host, you can say, let's meet again next week.
That's easy and clear.
Before we finish, let's have a short role play. I'll be the host, and you'll be a team member. Ready?
Okay, let's do it.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining today.
Good morning, Riz.
Today we're here to discuss our marketing plan. What do you think about starting the campaign in January?
I think that's a good idea. Maybe we can prepare the materials in December.
Great suggestion. I see your point. Let's plan for that.
Perfect.
To sum up, we'll prepare everything in December and start in January. Thank you for your time, everyone.
Thank you, Riz.
Well done, Zoe. You sound confident and natural.
Thank you. I feel more comfortable now.
That's great. And to all our listeners, remember, you don't need big words to sound professional. Use clear, short, polite sentences.
Yes, I think that's the secret to good communication.
Exactly. Communication is not about complicated words. It's about being clear and kind.
I like that.
Before we go, let's quickly review some of the key phrases we learned today.
Okay.
All right. Good morning, everyone. Today we're here to discuss. I agree with that. I see your point, but what do you think? Could you please repeat that? How about we... Sorry to interrupt, but to sum up, we agreed to... Thank you, everyone, for your time.
That's a great list.
Yes. Try to practice these phrases in your next meeting.
I will.
And to all our listeners, keep practicing. Listen again, repeat the phrases, and try using them at work.
Practice makes progress.
Exactly, Zoe. That's the spirit. And if you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Riz English Channel.
Yes, please support the channel so we can make more episodes for you.
Thank you for learning with us today. You're doing great. Keep going, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself.
See you in the next episode.
See you next time. And remember, speak English every day, even a little. That's how you grow.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you for watching.
Like, share, and subscribe.
To keep learning English the smart way.